Good morning students. Last class we discussed decomposition reaction and its types. Today we discuss about oxidation and reduction reactions. First we have to learn what is the meaning of oxidation, what is the meaning of reduction. So first we discuss about oxidation. Oxidation process can be explained based on the hydrogen concept, oxygen concept, electron concept. Oxidation can be explained by based on the hydrogen concept, oxygen concept, electron concept. According to hydrogen, oxygen, electron concept, how you can define the definition of oxidation? Now we can observe. Oxidation. Adding of oxygen in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation. Next, removal of hydrogen in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation. Loss of electron, a substance in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation. Once again I repeat, definition of oxidation. Adding of oxygen in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation. Second one, removal of hydrogen in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation. Loss of electrons, a substance in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation. Let me take one by one examples. Removal of hydrogen in reaction is called as oxidation. This reaction also called as oxidation reaction. Examples. H2S react with chlorine molecule, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. This is chlorine molecule. Here observe, hydrogen sulfide react with chlorine to form HCl plus sulfur. Here what happens this one? When we compare this one. Here this compound hydrogen is completely lost. Lost means removal of hydrogen after get sulfur. This is the example of oxidation. Here hydrogen is completely removed from H2S. That's why it is called as oxidation reaction. Next, second example 2. Hydrogen sulfide react with bromine molecule to form HBr sulfur. Hydrogen sulfide react with bromine molecule to form hydrogen bromide and sulfur. Here what happens, we observe H2S and S. So H2S completely remove the, that means this substance lost the hydrogens. Lost means removal of hydrogens after get sulfur. This is also example of oxidation reaction, because of here two hydrogens completely removed this substance. That's why we are calling oxidation reaction. Next, second concept. Oxidation can be explained by the based on the oxygen concept. Now observe definition of oxidation: adding of oxygen in a chemical reaction or reaction adding of oxygen in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation. This reaction also called as oxidation reaction. Examples: carbon, example 1, carbon burns in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. So here what is there? Here we are adding oxygen in a chemical reaction. That's why it is called as oxidation reaction. Next, second one, example 2. Magnesium ribbon burns in the presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide. For balance purpose, you should keep numbers. Magnesium ribbon burns in the presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Here, oxygen is adding in the reaction. So it is called as oxidation reaction. Example 3. Calcium react with oxygen to form calcium oxide. Calcium react with oxygen to form calcium oxide. Here also oxygen is adding. That's why it is called as oxidation reaction. Next, sulfur react with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. So here oxygen is adding. That's why it is called oxidation reaction. Next, third concept, electron concept. Oxidation explained based on the electron concept. Here, a substance loss of electron is called as oxidation. Simply we are calling loss of electrons is called as oxidation. A substance loss of electron in a chemical reaction is called oxidation. This process or this reaction is called as oxidation reaction. Example, sodium. Sodium lost one electron to get Na plus. This sodium atom lost one electron to get Na plus. That's why sodium undergo oxidation. Next, potassium lost one electron to get oxidation. Next, magnesium lost two electrons. One electron lost, one positive. Two electrons lost, two positives. Mg2 plus undergo oxidation. Next, fourth one, calcium. Calcium lost two electrons. That's why it is undergo oxidation. Next, fifth one, aluminum. Aluminum lost 3 electrons. Simply you are calling oxidation. These all are example of oxidation. It is explained by the based on the electron concept. So these all reactions we are calling oxidation reactions. Next, reduction. How you can explain the reduction process? What is the meaning of reduction? So reduction also explained based on the oxygen concept, hydrogen concept, electron concept. Now observe. Removal of oxygen in a chemical reaction is called as reduction. Removal of oxygen in a chemical reaction is called reduction. Adding of hydrogen in a chemical reaction is called as reduction. Gain of electrons in a chemical reaction is called reduction. So this keep in our mind. Next, one by one I will explain. Reduction explained by the based on the oxygen concept. First we have to observe. So here calcium oxide undergo decomposition to form calcium plus oxygen. So here what happens? Calcium oxide becomes to calcium plus oxygen. So here oxygen is completely removed. That's why this reaction is called as reduction reaction. So here calcium oxide converted into calcium. So which one removed? Oxygen is removed. Removal of oxygen in a chemical reaction is called as reduction. This reaction is called as reduction reaction. Let me take another example. Magnesium oxide undergo decomposition to form magnesium plus oxygen. Here what happens? Magnesium oxide completely lost oxygen to get magnesium. It means oxygen is removed from the magnesium oxide. So it is called reduction. Next. Copper oxide converted into copper and oxygen. Here what happens? Copper oxide completely lost the oxygens to get Cu. That's why it is undergo reduction. Here removal of oxygen. So here oxygen removed from the copper oxide. That's why we are calling reduction. Next let me take another one. Based on the hydrogen concept. So reduction explained by based on the hydrogen concept. Adding of hydrogen in a chemical reaction is called as reduction. This reaction is called as reduction reaction. Now let me take example 1. Sodium react with hydrogen to form sodium hydride. This one sodium hydride. So here what? Sodium react with hydrogen to form sodium hydride. For balance purpose should write. So here hydrogen is adding in the chemical reaction. That's why it is called as reduction reaction. Hydrogen adding in a chemical reaction is called as reduction reaction. Next 2. So here ethane react with hydrogen to form ethane. So here what we are doing? Hydrogen adding to becomes to ethane. This is also example of reduction. Next H2S plus Cl2 to form HCl plus. So here observe hydrogen adding in the substance. So here H2S is there, hydrogen sulfide. These two hydrogens react with chlorine, joined, adding after to form HCl plus sulfur. This is also example of reduction. So these all reactions we are calling reduction reaction. Reduction explained by the based on the electron concept. How you can identify the reduction? By taking electron concept. Let me take definition. Now let me take definition. Gain of electrons is substance from the other substance is called as reduction. This reaction is called as reduction reaction. Gain of electrons is substance from the other substance is called a reduction. This reaction is called as reduction reaction, or gain of electrons is called as reduction. Let me take some examples. Fluorine substance gain one electron to get F1 minus. So here adding of electrons, adding means gain, adding of electrons or gain of electrons, a substance is called as reduction. Next example 2. Nitrogen gain 3 electrons in 3 minutes. An atom gain electron to get negative charge. 1 electron gain, 1 minus. 3 electrons gain, 3 minus. Next, example 3. Oxygen. Oxygen gain 2 electrons to get O2 minus. Next, phosphorus gain 3 electrons to get P3 minus. Sulfur gain 2 electrons to form S2 minus. These all are example of reduction reactions. Next topic, oxidizing agent. And reducing agent. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent. First we discuss about oxidizing agent. So here, oxidizing agent, a substance which can undergo reduction is called as oxidizing agent. Once again I repeat, a substance which can undergo reduction is called as oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent is the opposite of reduction. Now observe. Oxidizing agent equal to reduction. So here what is reduction? Removal of oxygen is called as reduction, adding of hydrogen is called as reduction, gain of electrons is called as reduction. So what is the meaning of oxidizing agent? A substance which can undergo reduction is called as oxidizing agent. So meaning oxidizing agent means removal of oxygen is called as oxidizing agent, adding of hydrogen is called as oxidizing agent, gain of electrons is called as oxidizing agent. So reduction equal to oxidizing agent. Very very important this one. So reduction is equal to oxidizing agent. A substance which can undergo reduction is called as oxidizing agent. Next, What is the meaning of reducing agent? A substance which can undergo oxidation is called as reducing agent. A substance which can undergo oxidation is called as reducing agent. Now, first we observe oxidation. Oxidation equal to reducing agent. What is the definition of reducing agent? A substance which can undergo oxidation is called as reducing agent. Oxidation equal to reducing agent. So, removal of adding of oxygen is called as reducing agent. Removal of hydrogen is called as reducing agent. Next, loss of electrons is called as reducing agent. So, thank you students. Remaining class next we discuss.